Hi guys, today I've got something new for you. Today I'm going to unveil my new project. Stay tuned. Okay, here we go. This is the unveiling. So you've seen the bike. Its main problem at the moment is the fact that it needs a little bit of electrical work done to it, and it's only running on 3 cylinders. So I've got a good friend coming over. We're going to have a little look at it and see if we can get it running properly. However, I don't think I'm going to be able to get it started on that day because there's other things I need to do as well before that. So it's going to be a long time coming, but when it does start, I'll be very happy. The plan is that I'm going to get a 750 GXXR or GSXR front end, put that in, and quite possibly a GSX600F rear end. Not 100% sure yet, but that's along the lines of what I'm thinking. Also, plan is that hopefully a friend of mine who's got, or who will be getting, a airbrush kit will come along and do some sort of work on it for me. But we haven't quite got that far yet. Let's get it started and see where we go. I hope you follow me on this project. It's going to take a while, but we're getting there in the end. It's going to be good, it's going to be interesting, and I'm going to need your help as well because this is my first build. Never tried anything like this before. I've got an idea of where I want it to go anyway. Hope you follow it, subscribe, like, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.